Need to sign a document but don't have a printer nearby? Your iPhone can actually do it for you digitally. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the built-in signature tool on iPhone. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. So let's say you downloaded a PDF document onto your iPhone. To access it, simply swipe down and search for Files. Tap on the browse icon on the bottom right and go to Downloads. Here you can open up the file. Tap on the pencil icon here on the bottom. Tap on the plus icon here. Here you can choose to add your signature, or you can add a text form box. Tap on Add Signature. As you can see, I have already added a signature here, but if you don't have one, simply tap on Add or Remove Signature. Add a signature by tapping on the plus icon on the top left. Sign your signature here. If you don't like it, simply tap on Clear at the bottom and redo it until you like it. Once you're done, tap on the blue tick on the top right. Here you can see your signature is being added to the PDF document. You can pinch and drag out to enlarge the size of the signature, and tap and hold to drag it around the PDF document to the location where you want to place it. Once you're done, tap on the share icon on the bottom menu. Tap on View More. Tap on Save to Files. Tap on Save As at the bottom to rename it, and then tap on Save at the top right when you're done. Then go back to your files and you can see the new document with your signature is saved here. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.